Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm super excited about because lots of requests to do more what I eat in a day, but versus what I eat in a day, what I did was what I eat on vacay. Yes, I'm corny as hell, but whatever. So I recently traveled to New York and I just vlogged what I had for lunch the 3 days that I was there, and so I'm gonna just take you through that. I ate really well, but I also kind of talked about some of my choices and why I was eating what I was eating, and I'll add some more commentary there. But if you want to see my eating while I was on vacay in New York City, stay tuned. Hello friends, and welcome to New York City. So I am about to have some lunch. It is, what time is it here in New York? It is 2:05. So I have been still fasting. That's the question I get. Do I fast while I'm on vacation? Yes, because I mean, that's just what I like to do. So I got Chipotle for lunch. Water. You gotta drink water, friends, because if you're on vacation, you're probably drinking a lot of alcohol and all of that, which is fine, but you gotta stay hydrated. So we gotta have water. That's all I'm drinking with my food. And I got a veggie bowl because if you've been following me for a while, you know I don't do chicken, beef, or pork, but so we got a veggie bowl. So full of guac, veggies. I did get cheese and sour cream because I mean, you gotta have that. And so that's what we're eating for lunch. Hey. Y'all, it is day 2, so we're gonna switch gears on this video. We're gonna do what I'm eating while I'm away, because yesterday night we was having drinks and I didn't feel like filming. Just being honest. So today I really was craving something green. We're at Adriennes Pizzabar. It's so good in Manhattan. And so I got me a Caesar salad. Haven't tasted it yet, so we're about to see if it's yum or not. Alright, so I was craving something green. I killed my salad. It was so good. But you can't come to New York and not eat pizza. Oh my god, and Adriennes has the best pizza, so we're about to dig into this. Forgot to tell y'all, water. We're drinking water, okay? It's important to still hydrate, even if you're on vacation. You gotta drink the water. Hello friends, so today is Sunday. I'm just like sharing with y'all a meal a day, or just whenever I feel like showing off my food. So still in New York, we're in Harlem today having brunch. So I got, let me show y'all what I got. So I got the salmon because I gotta have some protein. I also got the greens. I'll pull all this off here. Let's see. Because you gotta have veggies, friends, okay? I teach my clients you gotta have a well-balanced meal even if you're out of town. So I got the collard greens as my green veggie, and then I got I'm coming. Woo. And I got mac and cheese as my carb. Sorry, Naya. Mac and cheese as a carb. So here's the full meal: salmon, greens, and mac and cheese. I'm also having a sangria because it's important to enjoy yourself when you're on vacation. And then we got a waffle because these are eggnog waffles and I just had to try one. So I'm gonna come back, of course, at the end and just talk about all my food and how my experience was on this New York trip. But yeah, we eating good but healthy. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what I ate, just really quick things, you know, and trying to just continue to make healthy choices, but also enjoy myself, because balance is key. That's super important. When you're on vacation, you know, let your hair down. Don't beat yourself up about choices that you make, but also being conscious, because you want to come back and feel good about jumping back into your journey wherever it is. So you want to feel good about jumping back into that workout or eating, you know, eating well. You don't want it to feel like a struggle to get back into your workouts or get back into your eating well. So remember, what I like to say is 80% clean, 20% fun. Have a little bit of fun, but remember, your body is important. How you treat it is important. And so love on yourself enough to make choices that make you feel good on the inside and the outside. I'm gonna follow up this video with like how I bounce back after a vacay. So I did have lots of fun eating in New York, and so now, you know, what do I do now? How do I eat once I come back to kind of reboot? So I'll walk you through a reboot that I do after a wonderful vacation of food. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Please drop any comments or questions about the video you have below, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.